Hey, good morning everybody. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. We're at Dollar General getting ready to do the 5 off 25. Alright, first thing I'm going to grab are some Airwick. We have a digital coupon, buy one and get one free. I wasn't able to use it at Family Dollar, so we're going to try to use it here at Dollar General. Let me pick up my cents. I'm grabbing is these Mr. Cleans. These are priced at $3. The whole world grabbed this last week besides me, so I wanted the $5 one, I guess the actual bottle, not just the refill, because I don't have any at all. But hey, we're gonna get what we can. So there, I grabbed two. They're the other one already over there somewhere. So these are priced at $3, and we do have a buy two save $3 coupon. Okay, next thing I grabbed here are these Always Discreet liners. These are priced at $3, and we have a $2 off digital. It seems like a lot of people don't know that $2 off digital does apply to these. So I mean, lucky us. I'm also gonna grab some Dial body wash. I was gonna grab the tones. We do have a $1 off Dial or Tone body wash. I don't see the tone, so I thought the tone might be cheaper, and that's why I was gonna grab it. But hey, I mean, who doesn't like Dial? I know I do. I was just trying to be cheap, but you know what? That's all right. That's all good. We're just gonna grab some Dial. So the Dial are priced at $4, and like I said, we have a $1 off digital coupon. Oh wow, look at that. I found it up there. Wow, I'm an idiot. So yeah, they are cheaper. They're priced at $3. I'm gonna grab both just in case to see how my end deal is gonna turn out, and if I need to hit 25 on the exact, I'll grab the Dial, but if I have a little wiggle room, I'll grab the tone. Vamos a ver. Okay, last thing I'm grabbing is some Crest toothpaste, priced at $2, and we do have a $1 off digital. I did decide to go with the Dial because it puts me exactly at $25. So that $5 off coupon, store coupon, should come off. After that $5 store coupon and all the manufacturer coupon, I should be paying $8. Well, my subtotal should be $8, so $8 plus tax. I'm going to double check my calculations. I'm going to scan all my items, make sure that all the coupons are attaching good, and we're going to go get ready to check out. Alright guys, so we made it out of Dollar General. Everything worked out great. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my receipt and show you my deals. But before I do, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am a small YouTuber and I would absolutely love some more support. So thank you very much. And I do want to say, I did wait until 9 o'clock before entering the store. I hope you guys are all waiting until 9 o'clock. Please keep in mind that the first hour of every day at Dollar General is dedicated to our senior citizens. So please respect that and just wait a little bit before starting your deals. Okay guys, ignore the messy ignore the messy car. I said this in previous video, my house is just kind of too loud to film inside. So I'm going to try to film more often in store and also in the car, so you don't have to really deal with my crazy family, but that might not always work out. So anywho, so let's see what we got here. We finally was able to pick up some Airwick oil scented refills. Heck yeah, you guys remember in my Family Dollar video, I said that I was not able to pick them up because the digital coupon, even though it was attaching on the app, it was not coming off at the register. So Dollar General didn't have that problem. Thank you so much, Dollar General. And I was able to grab two. So I bought two for the price of $5 each, and we used that buy one get one free coupon, digital coupon. Next thing I grabbed was the Mr. Clean Freak. You might have already grabbed them because everybody seemed to have grabbed it last week. I wasn't part of the memo. You guys left me out. So anyways, I decided to grab two of the refills today. They didn't have the actual bottle, so I had to go for the refills. So they're both priced at $3, and when you buy one, you save $3. So pretty much a buy one get one free. Next thing I grabbed was the Always Discreet pads. These are $3, and we had a $2 off of Always Discreet digital coupon. And then I also grabbed the Dial body wash. So this was priced at $4, and we have a $1 off Dial or Tone body wash. So yes guys, if you don't need the $4 Dial, and if you need just a cheaper, I guess, out of pocket or cheaper count to hit your 25, you can go for the Tone. The Tone is priced at $3. The Dials are priced at $4. Next thing I grabbed is this Crest toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste, the baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste is priced at $2, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. So that is everything that I grabbed. It did total me exactly $25 with all the coupons plus the 5 off 25 store coupon. It brought my total all the way to $8. So here is my receipt. Here's all the coupons. And here's that subtotal, $8 exactly, guys. So for all 7 products, it was $8 or $1.14 each. So yay, really good haul for today. That's all I want to say about Dollar General. I do want to let you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I do try to post kind of little deals that I do throughout the week that I don't really make a video for. So I posted a little bit of some items that I grabbed from Winn-Dixie. I'm going to be talking about some items I grabbed for Easter for my daughter from Dollar Tree, and also some couponing that I was able to do at Dollar Tree. So follow me on Instagram. It's the same name, Saving with Ruth. It's also in the description box down below. And that way you guys can see kind of the little itty bitty deals that I do throughout the week. And I save it all in my highlights. So it's there all week long. It's not just going to be in my stories. It's going to be in the highlights. So you can see it all week long and refer back to it. I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and give me a follow. And let me know in the comment section, or let me know on Instagram that you guys came from YouTube. So yep, that is my haul. That is my Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.